Week 2 with Lorraine on Monday, we began to do paired techniques, which I found quite interesting. We developed what would eventually become our solo pieces, and I found it very interesting how these very simple, very basic movements were turned into rather beautiful dance pieces eventually, and I really quite enjoyed that. I was under the impression that, you know, dance moves had to be very elaborate and very big kind of things, but the fact that our solo pieces had developed at this point from such very small things, I found very wonderful actually. And week 2 with Paul was very interesting as well. We had to, instead of pretending to be chimps, we had to pretend to be babies. So that was quite interesting. I think I'm just under the impression that Paul just liked to embarrass us, but it was still very interesting because we weren't allowed to speak. We were just given the vocabulary that children have and the movements that children have. That was the main thing, obviously, and that was thoroughly enjoyable for me as well. And so yeah, and also we began to develop we were told about the Laban efforts graph, consisting of flick, float, slash, ring, punch, press, dab, not the contemporary dab, the dab, glide as well. So that was something interesting to. At first I didn't think anything of it, I thought it was kind of ridiculous, but that kind of made me think about mannerisms and developing certain characters through movement, so that was also very interesting as well.